Tips for teaching children crochet. The most important thing is to make it fun. Allow them the flexibility to explore their own creativity, to choose the size of the hook and the colour of the yarn. It just makes it more fun. I always use natural fibres, yarns made of cotton or wool, and it all depends on the child's level of development and their manual skills. Some have advanced manual dexterity skills and they learn a lot faster. So just allow children flexibility and opportunity to have fun and explore, help each other to build their own community. Very supportive of each other. Teaching children crochet is fun, and it should be fun.